All right, today I'm taking a look at this camping fan, something I'm gonna get a lot of use out of. We're actually camping this weekend, so really looking forward to using this product in our tent. Stay tuned here at the end. I'm going to kind of show it all unpacked and how it all works here. So really great product to purchase if you're planning on doing a lot of camping and you want a kind of a hanging ceiling fan with a light as well. It does come with a remote, which is awesome. Let's open it up and see what we have inside here. So nice and compact first off, so you can, it's not going to take up a whole lot of space, which is nice. Comes with a charging cord. Comes with the actual parts to the fan, and I'll show you how to put this together here in just a moment. And the actual base. Again, I'll show you how to put it together here in a second. And then one of the best parts about it, the remote that it comes with as well. So let's go ahead and put this thing together and show you how it works here. There's also a carabiner in here. Found it. All right. So let's go ahead and put this together. So you see where the actual fan is going to be put together here. You have each of these has an indent on the bottom here, and it's just gonna go right in there. Kind of locks right into place just like that. So there are 3 of those that you are going to put on. And then to lock it into place, you can see here that there's a little spot for something to screw in. That's where this piece comes in. So you just lock it, screw it into place, just like that. And now it's locked into place for you. So it has 3 parts to it, and I'll just show you with that. If you can see that lock, unlock on there, pretty self-explanatory, righty tighty, lefty loosey, but pretty simple. Has the charging port right here, which is simple enough, and then it has the power button up on top, and then to change the brightness. Battery life on this it charges pretty quickly. I would say we got it and charged within an hour or 2. Battery life, if it's on low, is about 10 hours. If it's on high for the fan, it's about 5 hours. So just depending on what setting you have it on. One thing that I really do like about it, just comes with this carabiner that you can attach on just like that, and then it can hang. So we're actually going to have it in our tent and have it be hanging there, just to kind of make things a little better, look a little bit better. So it comes with the remote here. So if we press the power button, it turns on just like that. You don't see a lot of sway. I mean, that was just swaying because I moved it myself, but with the fan just hanging up there, it's not moving a whole lot. It does have 3 different settings. So this is the lowest setting right here. And you can see, so it's on the lowest setting. Well, you can see right there, I actually clip my finger a little bit. You can see now it goes to the 2nd setting, and then the fastest setting. Again, there's not a whole lot of sway with it. It's only swaying because I moved it at all. But it does, there is a nice breeze that is below this, so it's going to be really great for us to have when it's in our tent. Let's say we need to get up in the middle of the night and we can't see anything, we need to see something, we can just turn on the light. Okay, so you have the more white light look, more of a dimmer white light, and then the last setting, it'll go from color to color, which is also nice as well. Does have nice settings for timers here. So you have 2, 4, 6, and 8 for your settings for timers, which is nice to have if you want to have it turned off at a certain time for you, so you don't waste all the battery in one night. But when you're done, just press the power button and it turns it off. Gotta turn the light off. There we go. So then from there, you can take it apart. Like I said, you can put it back in the box and you can transport it. But definitely a great product that we're gonna get a lot of use out of. We love it and hope you do too. Thanks.